My name is Stephen Towns. I'm originally from Charleston, South Carolina. Has anybody been there?
Yeah.
You don't know, that's like one of the major sites of the transatlantic slave trade. It's a beautiful city, but there's a dark past. And I never was completely aware of the role of slavery until I moved to Baltimore. And in Baltimore, I saw how the economics of slavery have impacted people in contemporary times. I am an artist. I paint and I make quilts. And the last project that I did was a whole series based on Nat Turner's Rebellion in Southampton, Virginia. And so I wanted to go back farther. I wanted to learn about slavery, come to Ghana, the homeland, but I also just want to see resilience. I always hear stories about we come from kings and queens, but I don't think we need royalty to know that we are royal, and that we come from a resilient people, and the resilience is in our DNA, and it's been made even more real being in this space with all of you and everybody out here. So just thank you for being here and allowing me to be in this space.
Thank you for being you and creating the space and stepping into it powerfully, Stephen. And I just really appreciate and value and love the black man in America and all over the world. And you're a gift already, because Stephen's been taking incredible photographs. We always have artists, but I'm an artist by gift and profession too, and I was articulating something about the role of an artist in civilization, and being more accountable to that as a transformer, not a conformer. I don't think as an artist my role or purpose or destiny or design is to go along to get along, but to kind of shake it up a little bit. And get people to think, and so that we can leave our civilization a little bit more beautiful than how we inherited it. Yes. So, any projects you're working on currently that you'd like to share before you take your seat? And if not, then you can always come back and say anything about your art, if you can see it or something like that, or whatever you got.
Yeah, I have my artwork on my tablet, and I can share it. The reason I'm here is because I won a grant for a project that I'm doing. The project is going to be called The Taming, and I'm using hair and how we tame our hair, and talk about how we have people have tried to tame us through the transatlantic slave trade. But being here in Ghana, I see so many things that I see in America. Some things just you cannot erase from us. And I want to show that, and to show our history in my artwork.
Oh yeah, thank you for that. That's rich. Thank you for that.
And at the end, if you want any of the pictures, I'll pass a piece of paper around, and you can write your email, and I'll create a Google Drive folder and share it with everybody.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Blessings to you and your family. Has any other of your